Hello guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. So let's quickly get into the video. Today is all about rice water for massive hair growth. I'm gonna be using Mercy Gono rice water for massive hair growth, and I will show you guys how I've been using it and how it's been working for me. So here is my rice. This is the rice I want to use. I'm going to wash it now. Then you put your rice into a container. Here is my container. Your pure orange. This is to remove the smell. You know, rice water, it smells so bad. So I am going to peel this orange now and use the shaft, the orange peels, and I will stuck it into my rice water. Just a little. You know, rice water smells so bad, especially when it's fermented. Then you add water. So I am going to be leaving this for 1 week to ferment. So after 1 week, we'll come back to it. So guys, today made it exactly 1 week that I prepared this rice water. And you see how mushy it is. I am going to try it out now. Yeah, let's go. So guys, I am going to turn it into this plate. So I will remove the orange peels because I don't need it. So I am going to transfer it into this spray bottle that I got from Amazon. Can you see? So let's go and apply it to my hair and see what the outcome is. So guys, can you see how dry my hair is? This is my hair, and I've not washed this hair for over 2 weeks. Okay, so today is my hair wash day, and I normally use my hair wash day to try this rice water recipe from Mercy Gono. So yeah, I've been using her rice water recipe to wash my hair for a long time, and it has been working magic on me. So I just want to show you guys how I use it. Okay, so guys, I'll have to section my hair into sections before I apply it. My hair is super dry, so sectioning my hair. See how dirty the hair is. And tangled, it's so dirty and tangled.
If I'm overthinking, I'm really trying, so I should stop it. So hard on myself, it's true. Pick apart the things I do. Been in hiding, backsliding, keep rewinding, pulling the thread through the loop, trying to find the faith I knew.
So I'll have to apply it on this one. Rice water smell bad, but with the help of the orange peel and the oil that I added to it, it reduced the smell. So I use my hand to detangle my hair.
Some night tonight. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah.
So time to attend to this one.
You can plan it. I really thought that I would have it mostly figured out by now. Tired of them bringing me down. It's automatic and it's tragic, cause what matters every second that I lose.
Guys, I have applied the rice water all over my hair. Can you see how it is? So it's now time for me to cover it. I'll use my shorter.
Don't care if I'm running out of time. I don't wanna waste it.
So it's covered now. I am going to carry this for 30 minutes and I'll be back. Okay. So guys, this is over 30 minutes and yeah, it said more than 30 minutes because I was feeding my baby. So it's more than 30 minutes and I want to wash the hair. And to wash my hair, I have this, my Cantu shampoo. I am going to use this Cantu. Then I have my Cantu leave-in conditioner. Cantu leave-in conditioner. So I am going to wash the hair according to the sections, okay? That will make it easier for me. It's very cold right now. And I'm going to use warm water to wash my hair. I am not going to wash my hair with cold water. Like, I don't wash my hair with cold water, okay? And in that video, Mercy Gono did not use cold water. So, can you see how the hair is?
If I'm overthinking, I'm really trying, so I should stop it. So hard on myself, it's true. Pick apart the things I do. Been in hiding, backsliding, keep rewinding, pulling the thread through the loop, trying to find the faith I knew. Always thought that it would just feel right. I've been looking out for signs.
So now that I'm through with washing my hair, I am going to, my hair is still wet as you can see. So I am going to use my leave-in conditioner, my Cantu leave-in conditioner. I'm going to apply it. I'm going to apply it on the hair.
Don't wanna focus another moment on the things that I can't control. I need to find some peace of mind tonight. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah.
Then my castor oil.
You can plan it. I really thought that I would have it mostly figured out by now. Tired of them bringing me down. It's automatic and it's tragic, cause what matters every
Look at how shiny it is. Then I twist it back.
ways. Thought that it would just feel right. I've been looking my whole life. Don't care if I'm running.
Guys, I am going to repeat the same process in all of the sections and we'll be back. Okay, so guys, I am back and yeah, can you see how my hair is now? Can you see how shiny my hair is? So I am going to cover it now.
Gonna focus another moment on the things that I can't control. I need to find some peace of mind tonight.
So I am going to carry this for like 1 hour and by then my hair would have dried. So guys, this is how I grow my hair with rice water recipe from Mercy Gono. After 1 hour, I am going to style my hair the way I want it to look like. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your bell notification. Thank you so much. Now I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.